This is where I talk shit. Yeah, nigga, talk shit. AOTP, Lost Cause, my man Planetary. What up, Crip? Yeah. Many paths. All this shit probably getting cut. Yeah.
Step through the door, tore the shit off.
Yo, this young buck rowdy, my gun buck loudly. When I was a buck, they had me locked up down in Bucks County. But I beat that rap, you never catch me on the beat that swag. I can't eat like that, reef that cat who cocked back, let the desi hit you. When you thought I was just talking shit like Freddie Mitchell, you ain't ready, is you? I invest in every pistol, aim on point like a steady missile. Heavy fiscal, I need that love, hundreds and dubs, where the weed at? I need that drug, cause I'm addicted to it. Rhyme boxes start spitting fluid. When y'all do it seem, don't nobody listen to it. Love from Philly, all the way to kids in Munich, Germany. I murder beats and add the difference to it. Word to Pazienza, smack your men's up, crack your limbs up, and leave you fucked up like a Latin's liver.
So listen up, they be screaming you can't elope off the pavement. Going in the place with the guns in our waist. Step through the door, tore the shit off the hinges. So listen up, they be screaming you can't elope off the pavement. Going in the place with the guns in our waist. Step through the door, tore the shit off the hinges.
It's the start of you dying, playing spit with the heart of a lion. The belt of Orion wrapped around your neck with the iron. Pointed at your fucking chest, bitch niggas is crying. I'ma reap the lost cause and we causing the violence. The cause of the murder, the cause of niggas carrying burners. We the cause and effect of life, it's hard to observe us. You don't understand, we got the upper hand spitting. First you need to overstand, you soft like underhand pitching. You can tell I'm a pun fan when I'm spitting. Rappers like me are hard to come by, like copping summer jam tickets. You need to focus before you think to approach us. You screenplay a dog, we the coaches, too ferocious. Bogart, every moment is precious. You niggas is co-starring, we the stars of this epic. Unveiling the secret, it's more than fairy tales of me preaching. This that 94 boom bap shit that we teaching.
So listen up, they be screaming you can't elope off the pavement. Going in the place with the guns in our waist. Step through the door, tore the shit off the hinges. So listen up, they be screaming you can't elope off the pavement. Going in the place with the guns in our waist.
Yeah, cut your head off, guillotine, Henry VIII style. Y'all reminded me of Cheddar Bob and 8 Mile. I wanna see everybody in the place, wow. Anybody move, buck them in they face, wow. I stay bent, daddy, night and day. Show them that I care when I send kites to Jay. Yeah, it ain't nice, but it's right to say. It's real when a cat gone, mice will play. It's ice today, but tomorrow you breathless. My team is on the same shit like collaborative efforts. We grabbing your necklace, there's no other way. We bring it back to the east like we Brother Jay. Any fucking day, you could come see us. North, south, west Philly, you don't want to meet us. We some wild Puerto Ricans, Italian, Morenos. Yeah, fuck it, let they brains blow.
So listen up,